So I'm Dwayne, I'm the quality manager from AV Flexologic, and I will demonstrate our new sleeve quality inspection system. So we'll guide you through the workflow of the system. We're going to do some measurements. The new thing on this machine is that we have a spiral measurement where the mandrel and sleeve starts rotating to get more segments to have a more actual, better measurement. We're also going to do a segment measurement. After that, we will demonstrate how to load and unload with the new automatic bridge air what is connected to this machine. So the console. So we already preloaded a job. When the job is selected, you can select the threshold of the amount of TER value or the diameter value that you want to select. So normally what I tell customers is that we go through the whole sleeve inventory, check which sleeves are getting problems. So if you have problems with a sleeve with 60 micron, means that your threshold will be 50 microns. If you have starting press problems with 70 or 80 microns, your threshold will be around 70 microns. To start, so we created a job. So we're going to perform a spiral measurement. The machine asks you to calibrate the adapter size. So the adapter size can be or the bare mandrel, or when you want to measure a sleeve on an adapter, you will fill in the adapter value. So we start calibrating, in this case, the mandrel. So when you do a measurement on a sleeve without an adapter, you scan first on the mandrel, which we call calibrating. Calibrating only have to do once. If the dimension doesn't change or the adapter diameter doesn't change, it only requires one calibration scan. So just by pressing a button, we start a spiral measurement. So the mandrel is turning pretty fast, and in 1 minute 30 it starts scanning the whole cylinder. The laser unit is now finished with the calibration scan. On the operator screen, the top tab was orange, now turned into green, meaning that we can start measuring sleeves and adapters. So we start scanning the mandrel, so I press OK again, and now in 1 minute 30 it will make an actual scan of the mandrel. So the system is done, so the operator presses OK. So after pressing OK, we come to the sleeve data page, the sleeve mapping. So what you can see here is that we have a high spot in the middle or a low spot at the 23 microns. So we can select the go-to. And the machine will automatically go to the selected spot. So this was basically the spiral measurement. We can also measure in segments. Just by clicking on a button, the laser will move from left to right, checking segments. So instead of measuring in spiral, it will check different segments on your sleeve or adapter. So now the segment measurements is done, so you just press OK. You will go back to sleeve mapping. And you can see that the machine measured perfectly in specs. So to unload and load, so we have an automatic bridge air system. So I just press the button mandrel out and it will swing automatically open. And the air comes in automatically. So as you can feel here, the air is coming out of the nipples. We can also select bridge air. So now we select air through. And now we have adapter air coming out of the piston. And when we swing in the mandrel, it will turn off automatically air and it will swing back in and the machine is ready to go.